How's it going, guys? Matt with MotoWorks here, and behind me is our Worth It bike. That's right, guys. Over the next couple of videos, we're going to be working on the 2003 Honda Shadow VT1100. Guys, it feels like I've had this bike here for a long time. Now, when I first got this bike, I did start doing some filming on the bike. As you'll see here, this is some old footage, so just be mindful of that. It was in my early years of YouTubing when I first did this. But.
Hi guys, on the bike. Let's talk about bikes. I'm gonna check all of them. Floppy, mirror, check. Lights going on and off, check. Gas, check. And number fittings, check. Lights, backlights, check. Flipping things, check. Brakes, check. Bike holder, check. Brakes, check. This is my film. So get out. Ooh, what do these buttons do, Dad? What do these buttons do? Stop. Dad, what do these buttons do? Check. Two. One more. One more. Backlight, check. Backlight, check. Motor, check. Motor, check. Stop. This is my film. Seats, check. Other seat, check. Horn, check. Up and down, check. Screw, check. Tire, check. Tire fitting, check. Hose thing, check. Front light, check. Side light, check.
And I guess now's the time to tell you guys what I decided I'm going to do with this here. This Worth It series, just like it's titled, is it worth it to get a bike, fix it, and sell it? Or is it worth it to get a bike and sell it as is? Alrighty, so I think it's time that we let you know what I decided to do with this bike. Alright, so this Worth It series is going to be all about whether I should have just sold this bike as it sits right now, or if it was a smarter idea to do what I'm going to do, which is going to be fixing it up and then selling it. We're going to see what has the higher profit margin. Now, I'm going to get a price from my boss who buys and sells motorcycles. That's what he does for a profession. So he's going to give me an honest assessment and honestly tell me how much money he would give me for the bike as it sits now. And then we're going to see, after I fix it up and do all the work to it, we're going to see how much money I make on the bike and see ultimately what the better choice would have been. This isn't about buying a bike cheap and getting it fixed up. I did a video on that. This is all about getting a bike for a ridiculously good price, in this case free, and seeing if it would have been a smarter idea to just get it, sell it, or get it, fix it, and sell it. So that's what this Worth It series is all about. And the reason why I did all those checks all those many years ago is because since I want to maximize profit on this bike, I want to make sure that everything's there. So I checked everything. I made sure the signals were there. I made sure the tires were there. I made sure everything that came with this bike was with this bike. And everything did. I have a box full of parts here of extra pieces that were taken off. So when I initially looked at this bike, I saw that stuff was missing. And that stuff there can really nickel and dime a project, and it can really cut into your profits. You know, something just as simple as a little chrome piece missing, like this little cover missing. Somebody buying this bike would say, I want X amount of dollars off because of that. So I did all my checks on this thing, and you guys should be doing that too. You know, if you're getting a bike and you do want to sell it, you know, that's the stuff later on down the road that you'll find. You know, it's a couple bucks here, a couple bucks there. It's a couple less dollars in your pocket, right? So that's the plan with the bike. In the next video, we are going to get it running because it does not start. It needs a battery, and it probably needs a carburetor cleaning. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're going to get this thing running, and we're going to see how it checks out when it runs and drives down the road, hopefully. Now again, if you watch the Goldwing series, you know that hopefully doesn't always happen, but here's to hoping that a bike from 2003, which is what this one's from, is in a better shape and will run after I do the carburetor cleaning on it. But you guys will just have to wait till the next video. Thank you so much to those of you who support the channel and continue to watch these goofy videos that I put out. And feel free to put any comments, drop a like below. I appreciate all of it, and I do look at all your comments, guys. I try to reply when I can. So until the next video, guys, have a good one. And I look forward to getting on this thing and just riding. And hopefully it was a good deal. And hopefully we make some money. But until the next time, guys, take it easy.